steamed milk, tart, lovely jubbly. Love a cup of coffee, love a cup of coffee. And here is my burger. It's a bacon roll. Really lovely. That was spot on. Really nice. Really lovely. Right. Right, folks. That does conclude the Royal Air Show here for me in Swansea. There was a good load of rides, a couple of two AB, Stuart Dancer and AB Dancer, GX01 and Holmes's. All the rides were good. There was a Callum thing as well. All the rides were brilliant. Lovely. Thank you very much. Like, comment and subscribe to Jason's Days Out YouTube. Don't cost a thing, folks. TikTok is Megaspin 1973 at. I don't know where my next phone fit is. I will be doing a live vlog, of course. But that's it. That's it. Well, my name is Jason. You've been watching Jason's Days Out YouTube from a overcast Swansea Air Show here in Swansea. Like, comment, subscribe. Take care, everyone. Until the next video. Bye for now. Bye. Bye-bye.